Hello and welcome to another video of Python for beginners. So in this video, I'm going to show you the typecasting and concatenation and what's list, what is dictionary, and anything I cover in this video will be very helpful. So just move on our ideally first. So set our ideally uh, same procedure which we done previous. So then save it, save as, name that python 3, save. Okay, this is will be ready. Okay, now I drag side by side my terminal and my notebook, so I minimize it. Okay, so here we are going to show you what is typecasting. Typecasting is that you can use typecasting uh, with in variable, like you write the name, first name and last name, and you think you want to join them. So how you can do that? Because in python it is right in same without any space. So you can write first name as a variable. Okay, and there is I missed the point in when I done the lecture of variable, that there are different techniques to write a variable. So the variable can be write as variable slash one, or in my case I use first name. in, in python variable we use like we don't use a space between two names. We use underscore between the name, and if I give one, so it is good. But when I give one at first, so it shows me an error. Like if I save some value like 55 and type this value, like print this value, I just copy it and paste it. So when I run this program, so it gave me an error, like it gave me a decimal error. So I just so in python in python variable should not be read this like this. Variable should be read like this. So okay, okay, so I don't write one. Okay, as you see that 55 is written on my terminal, and there is some like there is some rules to try how to write variables. A variable should not be an assigned variable which python assigned it, like for, is, as, like that, and range. This variable should not be used as a variable name because it assigned as a variable for specific purposes in Python. So I just type as it this is this is an integer. So I just make it a string. So what can I do? Like I write Harry as a first name, and I just copy it, paste it, and change the second name. Just look like second. Okay. Then is equals to, then in my semicolons, in my inverted commas, I write last name like Lee, Harry Lee. Okay. Then if I print like full name, if I save this, if I save both the strings, so what can I get? So let's me check this. So I just copy this first name, second name, and then first name, and I just assign as a plus sign. So let's check what we get. Run the program. Its second name, its first name, full name. Okay, full name as, okay. Now you can see that there is no error, like there is no space between that. So can we get an space between that? So we just simply introduce a space between that. Like we just add spaces. This is the simplest method which I use to separate the word. So when I run this, you can see this. This can be separated. So if you just, okay, so it's really. I think you get this point. And what is, and this is all is called concatenation. Like you save this value to this. Okay, so this is done from today's class. So if you need any help, and if you think any question, if you ask any question from me, so just comment out. And if you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.